I want to turn from there to our ground report, which is coming from one of the most contentious constituencies of Bihar, Siwan, where remember this time the RJD has fielded the son of Mohammad Shahabuddin, the late Mohammad Shahabuddin, one of the original Bahubali criminal dons as he was seen of Bihar. The BJP, of course, is attacking Shahabuddin's candidature, as is the AIMIM, because Asaduddin Owaisi has made it a triangular fight in Siwan. Aishwarya Paliwal has this report.
Yogi Adityanath, Asaduddin Owaisi, Amit Shah, the big names have descended on Siwan. The reason? Sizable Muslim population and the overarching legacy of gangster politician Mohammad Shahabuddin, whose son Osama Shahab has got RJD ticket.
In the entire Siwan region, the one name which still reverberates is Mohammad Shahabuddin. He died way back in 2021, but still now we are seeing that there are in certain areas chalk that are now named behind him. His son Osama, in fact, is contesting elections this time in the state of Bihar. In fact, Home Minister Amit Shah also took his name and gave out a threat and said that even if there are 100 Shahabuddin now, they will not be able to terrorize those who stay in the state of Bihar.
Asaduddin Owaisi said the cat amongst the pigeons when he said that Muslims, a sizable 17% of the population, do not get their share, pointing finger at Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Lalu Yadav and the current Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar.
उनकी बहादुरी को देखो कि 3% और कह रहे हैं कि अगर हमारी सरकार बनेगी तो मुख्यमंत्री हमारा होगा। बताओ आप 17% हैं। अगर मल्ला का बेटा उप मुख्यमंत्री बन सकता तो क्या आदम का बेटा मुख्यमंत्री नहीं बन सकता? हमको जवाब हुआ।
Muslim candidates of AIMIM ticket believe that this time the Muslim voter is united and they want not just the Deputy Chief Minister post but the Chief Minister seat.
अगर बीमार पड़ते हैं, अब पड़ना ही है, नहीं तो कल सबको बीमार पड़ता ही है, हम भी गुजरे हैं, आप भी गुजरिएगा, तो जाके कहें कि जो उनके जात का है उन्हीं के जात का हमको ब्लड चाहिए, तब मैं मानूंगा कि छूत अछूत दूरी कर सकते हैं, शुभ अशुभ हो सकता है। हम किसी पार्टी से क्यों हम भीख मांगेंगे? हम भीख मांगे हैं। इस बार होगी अपनी क़यादत को खड़ा करने की बात होगी, क्योंकि हम मुसलमानों के साथ सिर्फ धोखाधड़ी हो रहा है। क्या दे दिया है आरजेडी, क्या दे दिया है सेकुलरवादी लोग? कुछ भी नहीं दिया है।
Taking on Asaduddin Owaisi was Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, to whose rally people brought bulldozers.
Bulldozer Baba, that is the Chief Minister of the state of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath. He's jumped on the bandwagon and he in fact has been camping in Siwan region. He's been telling people that you need to be very, very particular and very clear about the people that you want to vote. He also said that all those people who are unlucky, the Ashub people, you should not be wasting your vote on them. Remember what the Jungle Raj was. Remember the kind of terrorism that you used to face, the kind of terror that used to prevail in Siwan region. Remember, you need to vote for development. This is what Yogi Adityanath said in Siwan.
The older generation has not forgotten the old days when terror was synonymous with Siwan.
सिवान में वह जंगल राज फिर से मत आने दीजिए। ये अपराधी फिर से जीवित न होने पाए। ये कांग्रेस को, आरजेडी और समाजवादी पार्टी जैसे दलों को शोभा दे सकता है कि वे किसी पेशेवर अपराधी और माफिया को गले लगा करके किसी बाबर और किसी औरंगजेब की मजार में जाकर के सजदा पड़े।
Many Muslim women voters in Siwan had the kite symbol in hand, which means they have already made up their mind.
वैसे सबको जिताना है, मोहम्मद कैफ को लाना है।
हम सबके जिताएंगे, मोहम्मद कैफ के नेता बनाएंगे। हम लोग का घर नहीं थे, रहने का घर नहीं था, वही बनाए हैं बांकी बाबू ने। पतंग सबके हम लोग जिताएंगे, वैसे सबके आगे बढ़ाएंगे।
वोट मांगने के लिए बस आते हैं कि हम बहुत बड़े आदमी हैं, उसके बाद वोट मांग के चले जाएंगे, नजर नहीं आएंगे कहाँ है औध बिहारी। आते तो हम कभी देखे ही नहीं, दक्षिण टोला में इतने बड़े हो गए कि औध बिहारी कैसे है, आएंगे जब तो कोई देखेगा।
Muslims are now asking what has the RJD and even the previous governments actually done for the Muslims of the state. There is a division of sorts, which Asaduddin Owaisi has been speaking about, but he believes this time the Muslims have made up their mind and they will not be voting for those governments which have ruled the state of Bihar previously, but they will now vote for change. With camera person Ritesh, this is Aishwarya Paliwal reporting for India Today.